Growth of population in India. In this module, you will learn about the growth of population in India. One of the greatest threats that our planet faces today is that of overpopulation by humans. The ever-increasing human population is studied using different parameters of population. One of them is population growth. The term population growth refers to how much the number of individuals in a population increases or decreases with time. In other words, growth of population is the change in the number of people living in a particular area between 2 points of time. Population growth has two components, namely natural and induced. While the natural growth is calculated by assessing the crude birth and death rates, the induced components are explained by migration or the volume of inward and outward movement of people in any given area. In the present module, we will only discuss the natural growth of India's population. The population growth rate is calculated in both decadal and annual periods of time and is expressed in percentage. In India, both these growth rates of population are very high and steadily increasing over time. The decadal population growth rate is calculated as the percentage of the ratio of difference in population to the base population. The annual growth rate of India's population is 2.4%. It is quite alarming to note that if this current rate of increase is sustained, the country's population will double itself in another 36 years. That is, the population doubling time of India is 36 years. In this module, you have learned population growth, how the size of the population is changing over time. Population growth has two components, namely natural and induced. The population growth rate is calculated in both decadal and annual periods of time and is expressed in percentage. The annual growth rate of India's population is 2.4%. Population doubling time is the time taken by any population to double itself at its current annual growth rate.